Let's get into it. Today I'm going to show you how to open and deposit and buy a credit card in America market if you're new to the website. First of all, just creating an account. It's a standard process. Now we're in the website. As you can see, we have $0 in our balance. Click on the menu, then go to deposit. Here you will find the deposit slot. You can deposit from them, or you can do like me and select custom. For me, I'm going to deposit $88 for now. After that, go to the coupon section and add code MASK, so you get $8 for free with your deposit. After that, copy any wallets of those. For me, I will deposit via Bitcoin this time. After you deposit, send them the proof of the payment, like transaction ID and a photo of the deposit. Then click on submit proof. After waiting 2 hours, the deposit got confirmed, and now let's buy some cards. We go to store and look for the cards you like to buy. There are lots of options and banks and countries, as you can see now. I found a card from a bank that I know personally. It costs $62. After clicking on add to cart, we'll find it in your cart section, and now click on buy now. When you do that, congratulations, you bought your first card. I wanted to buy another card, so found another one that costs $9. I did the same as the first one, and now we go to the my cards section. There we are going to find the cards that we bought earlier. You can check them and get the full information of the cards. That was all for today, guy. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel for the best offers and new methods and courses. Peace out.